Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sapna and in today's video I'm going to create this amazing eye look. I have never played with blue and brown, so this is my first time and I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without delaying this video further, let's get started. First of all, I'm using this Joy Skin Fruit Moisturizer and I'm just going to moisturize my skin and then I'll do my eye makeup. So I'm just leaving this moisturizer for 5-10 seconds to just set down into my skin and till then मैं अपनी eyes prepare कर लेती हूँ and I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer for prepping my eyes. This is in the shade 10 light. I'm using this beauty blender from Colorbar. I'm just blending this up. So as I have blended this concealer as my base for my eyes, now I'm going to put this Bioderma's Photoderm Max 50 Plus SPF sunscreen. Don't ever forget your neck too. It is totally paraben, silicone and harsh chemical free sunscreen and it is dermatologically tested. I have reviewed all the Bioderma's products. The links will be in button, you can check out there. Today I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette, and first of all I'm gonna take this shade. Its name is Buffer. मैं ये एक डेंस से ब्रश पे ले रही हूँ and मैं इसे डस्ट ऑफ करके इसके थोड़ा सा ऊपर लगाऊंगी just to create a little bit of a transition shade onto my eyes. Now I'm using this 16 Caffeine Fix shade. This is a little bit chocolate brown shade. I'm taking this same brush onto my crease. And now with the help of a plain flat brush, I'm using the same Maybelline concealer to do a cut crease. And I'm just going to put it from my inner corners till my lid. I'm just going to use this shade from the same palette. Its name is Skylight in the number 6. I'm using my ring finger to use this shade. I guess shimmer shades ring finger से ज़्यादा अच्छे से put जाते हैं, तो you can use your ring finger only. Oh wow, the pigmentation is amazing. I'm using this 22 Black Qua on this fluffy brush. Just going to go onto my outer V a little bit more. And now on a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend these 3 colors. So now jumping onto my base makeup, I'm using this Bioderma Sebum Pore Refiner. Now I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Sculpting and Hydrating Foundation in the shade 01 Pure Ivory. Now I'm blending this foundation with the help of this Colorbar Beauty Blender. It is a great beauty blender. Links will be in the description box so you can check out there. Also, you can buy anything from Colorbar Cosmetic website and you can use my pro code and you can get 20% off each and every time whatever you want to purchase from Colorbar's website. The pro code will also be in the description box so you can check out there. Now as I have blended my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline concealer again to cover up my dark circles and my acne marks. Now as I have blended the concealer also, I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette to set my face, and I'm using this banana powder from this palette onto my beauty blender. Using a clean brush, I'm using the same banana powder. I'm going to apply it onto my face just to blend this out and set my concealer off. And I'm dusting off my bake too. I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics palette in the shade 02 Vivid Victory, and I'm using this blush which is Mauve Marvel. I'm taking this plain flat brush जिस पे मैंने concealer लिया था and मैं same concealer दोबारा इसी plain flat brush पे लेके अपनी lash line पे put करूँगी. After that I'm using this small plain flat brush and मैं ये skylight in the number 16 use करूँगी. Now I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter on a plain flat brush, curling my eyelashes with the help of a Vega eyelash curler. I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara in the Easy Wash and just putting one coat because I have to put fake eyelashes. And I'm using this Nykaa's false eyelashes in the OTT drama Volume Plus Length Plus Intense Lashes. And for lash glue, I'm using this Miss Claire eyelash glue in the dark tone. I'll put these lashes and I'll be right back. Completing my eyes, I'm using this Wet n Wild white eye kajal. Now I'm using this Nykaa's Brow Chicka Wow brow pencil in the shade Coven Cocoa, and I'm just going to brush up my brows. And now I'm using the pencil to just fill it up a little bit. I'm brushing up again so that it gets blended. I'm using the same highlighter and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones. And now I'm using my favorite lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 12 Dawn Fawn. Now I have put on the lipstick too, and I'll just do my hair and I'll be right back. So yeah, I am back again and I hope you love this tutorial. I enjoyed doing this eye look and I hope you also enjoyed it. I would love to see you guys to recreate this eye look. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Also do share and comment on this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel then please do subscribe to my channel. Put the bell notifications on. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram handle, then please do follow me on my Instagram handle, which is Sapna2000Prohit. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!